So today we are going to have a little bit of fun. We are going back to the brand SOOCAS, and we're talking about this guy right here, the X3U Sonic toothbrush. And first off, I think we can all agree that is probably the coolest name for a toothbrush. I mean, when I first read that X3U, I'm like, it sounds like a fighter jet. I mean, essentially, one could argue this is the Top Gun of toothbrushes. And in case you were wondering, no, I won't be overhyping it like that the entire time, but one does have to have a little bit of fun when we're talking about a toothbrush, after all. A toothbrush. And like I said, this does come to us from the brand SOOCAS. Now, I have covered them in the past. They make a lot of cool gadgets and things, and they're pretty fairly priced too, but today, once again, we're looking at their toothbrush. And as you might have gathered, this isn't just your standard non-fighter pilot tooth cleaner. The X3U Sonic toothbrush, according to the brand, is clinically proven to remove plaque up to 7 times compared to a manual toothbrush. It also comes with 4 cleaning modes, 3 specialized brush heads, a 2-minute automatic brushing cycle,
and a partridge in a pear tree.
On top of that, this thing's got power for days. I mean, literally days. 4 hours of charge goes for about 30 days. And if you're traveling, this is pretty cool. If you're traveling, they actually include this really nice and convenient travel case to keep all of your stuff safe and clean. Clean being the important one in case you're like me and your favorite body wash leaks into your DOP kit and you have to buy a new toothbrush. It's happened to me a couple of times now. That, though, is a story for another time. Let's go back to those brush heads and cleaning modes real quick. The brushes that are included here have dedicated uses. This one is for standard cleaning, this one's for whitening, and finally this one here is for sensitive care. All of them too are made with anti-rust materials, are 100% rounded, and are made with a 40% increase in bristles. They also wanted me to share with you guys that they just released a new version of this brush. It's not the one that I have here in my hand, but you can actually see it on their site. It comes with everything I'm showing you here, but it also comes with a facial cleaning brush in the kit alongside the standard brush head, so you get a little extra there with that face cleaning brush, which is pretty sweet. In regards to those cleaning modes now, they pretty much match the brushing heads that are included in the kit here. You've got a standard cleaning mode, sensitive mode, gentle mode, and finally whitening mode. Now, I have to say, this is pretty awkward for me. I'm not sure why it's so awkward, but it definitely is. But I'm using this thing here. I'm doing the standard cleaning head on the standard cleaning mode. And so far, it's doing its job as described. One thing I do want to note here while I'm using it is that it does have a 2-minute timer like I mentioned, but on top of that, it actually senses if you've been brushing in the same area for more than 30 seconds, and it gives you a little tone and a vibration telling you to move to another section of your mouth, ensuring that you get all over and really get the job done. I also want to mention that you definitely also can feel a difference in the different brushing heads. It's not just for show. They all feel different, some more lighter than others, some more intense. I also have to say that I think this thing worked fairly well. There wasn't anything really that stood out to me as problematic. I mean, the brushing modes, they seem to work well. Changing the brush heads, it's pretty easy. It's as easy as popping the old one off and just slamming the new one on. I mean, it's very, very simple. And again, I do think it worked well. I think I was getting a pretty good clean out of using it. It's also a very good price, in my opinion. It's only $39.99 on their site, which I will link in the description if you're interested in checking this or anything out. They have a lot of actually cool stuff on their site. So I think they're a pretty decent brand, and I enjoy checking out their stuff from time to time. Remember too, if you decide to order the X3U Top Gun, not Top Gun toothbrush, you won't be getting the same one that I have here in my hand. It will be almost the same, but it actually includes the face scrubbing brush too, so that's a nice little feature you might want to consider. I also want to thank SOOCAS for sending this out and letting me take a look at it with you guys here today. I had a real good time checking it out. It's a pretty cool brand, like I said. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, if you thought this video was pretty fun, it's a nice little break from the usual content, do the big 3 for me: like, comment, and subscribe. That's a big deal to me. Thank you so much for that. And thanks so much to you guys for checking out this video with me today. I had a good time once again putting it together, so I hope you had a good time watching it. And we'll be back with you guys again real soon next week with some new content. Until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.